Saturday, residents in Middle Georgia were able to go to the Houston County Galleria to hear from local healthcare providers about healthy tips and resources at the annual 41 NBC Health and Senior Expo. 41 NBC's Brooke Nelson was there at the expo and shows us how local healthcare givers are helping residents start new healthy lives.
At the 41 NBC Health and Senior Expo here at the Houston County Galleria, residents can talk to local healthcare providers and find out the resources that can be available to them. With over 30 healthcare vendors and providers from across the Middle Georgia area, the 41 NBC Health and Senior Expo gave residents resources to start living a healthy lifestyle.
There's a lot of resources out there for every situation our family is dealing with.
General Manager of the Houston County Galleria, Christelle McQuarrie, says having an expo like this doesn't just bring more foot traffic to the mall, but it helps spread awareness of healthcare resources to the community.
A lot of times we really don't know what's out there. Some people do and some people don't. But just to know that you have resources out there, if you just ask someone or you reach out, just to know. So coming out here today would open up the awareness.
Along with different vendors, the expo also hosted a variety of live demonstrations, including fitness dance classes and healthy cooking tutorials presented by Houston Healthcare. Nurse Manager for Community Education at Houston Healthcare, Danielle Ray, says the goal of the demonstrations is to help encourage and promote living your best life.
You can have a 100% increase in bettering your diet just by eating at home. So the more you can cook at home, the better. And using fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, all those good things that we love that make our food so good, making your own sauces, and it's super easy.
The expo also provided resources for senior citizens, including hospice care options and Medicare fraud prevention. Community Outreach Specialist for Senior Medicare Patrol, Gayla Yoakum, says it's important to give seniors the resources they need to make the next steps in life easier for them.
It's really important so that they can know what the next steps are. I get a lot of questions about, especially if they're coming closer to 65, like what do I do, where do I go, who do I talk to? And really putting yourself out there in the community is important to give them those options.
Ray says the important part of the Health and Senior Expo is to let residents know there are ways to start living healthy and there are resources to help you along the way.
I just think it's important for people to know that there's healthy choices available everywhere and there's people to support them in doing that. Sometimes if you decide to make a lifestyle change, you feel like it's hard to keep up with because you don't have the support, and there's a lot of options for healthy choices and support within our community.
In Centerville, Brooke Nelson, 41 NBC News.
If you were not able to participate in the 41 NBC Health and Senior Expo on Saturday, you can find more information on local healthcare providers and the resources they provide by going to 41nbc.com/expo.